Everything is fine, friends.
Yes, fine.
Yeah. So now fine. So here, what is that? Let's check it. And this one also number only, right? Because it's returning what? Number itself only. Now let's take email, number, email, right? Email dot, what is that? Let's take last index of, right? Last index of. Here, what we will check it now? We will check dot. We will check dot now. Okay, so let's take one more console, and what we will do it now? Now let's take dot. Now paste it. Okay, so here what I'm doing now, let's tsc compiling. Now after compilation, what we will do it now?
Node string type.js.
Node ts dot. Now in which indexes this one is there now, guys? In which indexes this one is there now? 10th index, right? 10th index now. So 10th index, what is that? 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? 10th index, comma, sorry, dot is there, right? Dot is there. Now based on that, what we will do it now, guys? Based on that, we will perform the validation in the index now. Sorry, in the email id. In the email id, if we want to perform, what is that? Like what is not less than, means what is that? At the rate should not less than 2, means what is that? We can take at the rate here or here. Don't think about that, guys. Okay, whenever we will reach on that point, we will validate. But the thing is, just I'm explaining the concept. Because of that, I taken these things. Okay, so that is the, just understand the concept. I know that this is the not validation, I'm good correct validation I'm doing, but the thing is, what is that? Just I'm explaining the concept. Due to that reason, this kind of examples I'm taking, guys. Okay, whenever we will reach in the point, right? So we will learn those things in the perfect and clear cut, right? Where the usage is there. But the thing is, here we are learning the concept. Means what? Simple, guys. Again, I'm telling, like how previously I'm telling, what? Like without a b c d, we cannot learn the a, we cannot write apple, right? So same, like just TypeScript is nothing but we are learning a b c d, right? Now, so just focus on the concept, why I'm explaining what is the use and how we can write it, and what is the syntaxes. Whenever we will enter in the Angular, guys, clearly we will learn these things. What is that? How we are using in the Angular, and how the reality and the real places we are using these things, right? Now here what I'm doing now, let's take if condition. Let's take if condition. Same like I'm taking, what is that? Else also. I'm taking, what is that? Else block also, right? Else block, 2 blocks I taken. So inside that, what I'm doing now, let's check what is that? If at the rate, right? At the rate greater than or equal to 2, greater than or equal to 2, then what is that? Means then our email should not be valid.
Console.log.
Console.log, right? Console.log. Now here we will send the invalid email, right? Invalid email. Now here what is that? Let's take the same in the else block. Same in the else block, right? Now here let's take your email, and let's write that, let's take the dollar symbol or backtick, because if we take that, then we need, what is that? Backtick. Dynamically we will read the data now. So yesterday we learned, right? So we will take dollar, open curly bracket and a close curly bracket, open curly bracket and a close curly bracket, and we will read the email, and what is that? This email is what? Valid. This email is what? Email is verified successfully. Fully now. Okay, so this is the message we will get, right? So now based on that, what based on that explanation, this one is a clear, right? Right validation. So it will work. It will work. Now we will get what is that right email now. We will get what is that your email is what is that valid, right? Ravikant@gmail.com. Just what is that? Just what we need to do now. Before that, what? Let's take 0 and 1. Now put this one, this @ here now. Put this @ here now. Then what is that? Means what we will get it now, guys? What we will get it now? Invalid email, right? Come on. We will get what is that? Invalid email. Invalid email now. Invalid email. Now, if this @ is there in the before, or if we place this one, if we place this, if we place now here 0 1 2 0 1 2. Now if we place here, now what is that? Just tell me, this is the valid or not?
Valid email. Less than equal to.
This is what? Valid email. Means what is that? Means what is that? Minimum what is that? Minimum 4, sorry, minimum what is that?
Minimum 2.
2 indexes, right? 2 indexes. Now what is that? Let's check another things also. Let's check one more condition, right? One more condition. I'm taking what is that? Double and here what is that? What we will check it now? What we will check it now? If dot also available after what is that? After 6 indexes, right? 6 indexes. So like that, what we will do it now? So we will take what is that?
Dot pause less than equal to some.
Now we will check the condition, right? We will check the condition. Like what is that? So last indexes onward, we will check it, right? Last indexes onward, we will check it now. So how we can check it now? How we can check it now? Let's take now at the rate yeah, we will check what is that? This
Dot POS.
Dot
POS.
Yeah, so dot POS, right? So now this one is what is that? Let's take greater than or equal to 1, right? So it's sorry, less than equal to 1. So but the thing is what is that? With what? Current email address means what is that? With what? @ID. After @ID, what is that? This one should be what? This one should be, guys, this one means what? After add one letter should be or after then any places we can take it. Meaning is this one only, right? But the thing is I want what is that? From the total number. So let's take minus and what? Or let's take, copy this one. Let's take this one, right? So but the thing is this one is showing the error. Then what we will do it now? We will take this one in the bracket now. Bracket now, right? Bracket now. But the thing is, why still it's showing the issues? Any syntax mistake we are doing? It should
Do not writing before. Do.
Okay, got it. No,
ATOPS.
sorry. Oh, we don't. Oh, this is only wrong. Huh? Right.
Yes.
Now what is that? Means what? This one should be after @ means what we will get it now, guys. So total number, right? Total number means what? Total number. Dot is there in what? Let's take what is that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10th, right? So 10th. So current number is there on the, our dot is there in the 10th now, and @ is there now 0 1 2 3 4th position, right? 4th position. @ is there in the 4th position now. 4th position now equal to what is that? How much differences is there now? What is the difference value now? 6 value, right? 6 value, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6th position, this one is there. Means what is that? This one also valid now. This one also valid now. See, we are getting that, right? We are getting that. But the thing is what we will do it now. Let's take this index, this dot. Let's take this dot now after add. After add. Now tell me this is the valid or like invalid we will get. We will get valid or invalid. Come on.
Invalid.
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 We are getting what?
How?
Valid, because it's checking from the last index onward, guys. Okay, now let's take control X. Right now let's place what is that, 0 and 1th equal to 1th, right? If we place this dot here, now let's check it. Hey, why this one is giving our condition? 1 minute. What is the mistake? Okay, let's remove the index because that one will return -1. Hey, if dot is not there still, why this one is giving the right answer? We are not writing correct. Double and equal to. Condition is correct only. Place of m. Where m we need to put?
In the gmail.com. On the first
Gmail.com.
line. But when you put the dot just beside at the rate, it's showing error. What is run successfully?
See, you are here. You are saying that. Who's that giving the 1 minute? What is that? Ritesh.
I think we have to put dot at the place dot com com because we are given logic as not less than equals to 1. It's checking after 1.
This one is checking that correct, but the thing is here. What is that last index of last?
It's checking from last. So that is m is 0 and o is 1. So m before after m we have to put dot.
Okay, if I'm putting the after m, but let's see that.
Not gm dot com com.
Okay, here you are saying that. So that is also right. 0 and 1 means what I said, what I give it, equal to 1. If 1, then again it's valid, no? Again, this one is showing the valid now. Okay, let's take one more dot. Okay, let's take one more dot. Again, it's saying that valid. Why?
Just change the condition, Ravi. Like add position and dot position.
You can put just less than 1. It may work.
Change this condition if
Oh, sorry. Double and why there is no problem in that. It should not give. It should give the proper answer.
now try to execute.
Still it's giving. Why this one is not checking the conditions properly? Okay. It's returning that, right? Indexes. 1 minute. Let's take the console. Now I'm just printing that. It's what is that? It's giving, I think it was giving the index number, right? Now,
Yes, Ravi. Both the numbers are position. Actually, for the first condition itself, it should
yeah, -1 means what is that? It's not presenting.
no, for now dot is not there actually in the string email.
Yeah, for now it's not there. Means that is the reason it's giving the 0, right? Sorry, -1.
Yes.
-1. But the thing is, I'm checking the condition now. Let's take at POS. Okay. At POS, at the rate is available before that. Right now, then I'm thinking about the total number, right? Between whatever differences is there in between, it should check, right? It should check. So total number, whatever is there, 10th, right? 10th position, the dot is there. In between, what is that? 4th is at the rate. From the difference in between 10 and 4 differences is 6 now. So 6. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 position I given here. Now here I'm giving means 1 is presented, right? So here I'm checking that means this one is the perfectly well working this condition now. So after then I want to reduce that total number. What is that? 6. Between the 6 only I want to check the first. In the
Ravi,
first,
what is the second condition you want to check? Like for our position minus third position. What is the condition you
I want to check,
greater than
right?
10.
I want to check what is that. It should not less than 1. It should be after means what? After add. After add, it should be if I placing here 0, 1th index, right? Means before G, if I'm placing that, it should show that what? Invalid email. If I'm placing after then, after then means what? Means what is that? Just see this. Means what? Total number of what is that? In which position that dot is there? So I count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th index, right? In between what I want to reduce whatever in whatever positions what at the rate is there. So means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sorry, 4th position, right? So what I did now means total number at dot position, right? Dot position. So before this one, total dot position minus what? Current, we will get 6. So 6. So from the 6 here, from the at the rate onward, it will count 6 number. 6 number means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means before that 6. After then I check the condition, right? Greater than 1 means what? It should not be greater than 1. Means what? If we are coming before at the rate, before G, at the rate now dot, then we will get what? Invalid. If we want to then if we increase that dot position here, then we will get what? So this is my logic, but it's not working. One minute, last time, let's try it. Okay. So now I want what is that? Dot position minus at the rate position, add position, right? Add position. So I want to reduce this one. In that I want less than let's take in this time 2 only. Let's take 2. Now it's compiled fine.
So it's
Yeah.
success only, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a success.
Yeah,
Now
if you start at after that at the rate, if you keep now, it will be invalid.
yeah, let's take after of course before that at the rate if we take, it will be the invalid only.
Ravi, try to put yes.
But
Okay.
still it's showing that valid. Why? It's going
Mm,
No,
beyond
try
our
to
logic.
For now, we
see
are
in
writing the
the
condition.
condition,
Right?
make a greater than equal to 2 instead of less than. Yeah, change
Okay,
that. Yeah, now try this one.
why this one is
Still,
giving the beyond result? It should not.
And at position dot position in console log as well, both in if condition as well as in else condition.
Hmm. If
Put
and if.
both and dot position in console log in both if as well as else condition, so that we can know the position as well.
Why? But still giving. Why this one? Any issues is there? Any?
I think it's less than or equal to only, right? Condition.
Less than only, right? Less than or equal
Yeah.
to only, correct logic.
Yeah.
Correct logic now. But the thing is, if we are removing also, right? If we are removing means what? Positive number only we want, right? So we will get that one is a negative number. But still this one, our application is giving what? Our application is giving successful. Your email address
but
verified. It
it's
should
like
not be.
dot shouldn't be -1. So we have to validate that also. Like dot position is not equal to -1. Then only it will be. If dot position is -1, then also invalid email. Like we have to add that condition also, right? Now
Not
dot position not equal to -1 and the other conditions. We have to add one more
in
condition.
that again, how we can, again we need to check it, na?
Yeah, we have to check one more.
Okay, we will think about different application. Don't worry about that, guys. Okay, means what? It's a returning what? Last index, right? It's a returning what is that? Last index with what is that? It dot is available or not? Dot available is, sorry, dot is available or not, right? So this one only it's a returning, but the thing is it's return, it's a giving the perfect now, right? It's a giving that minus, it's available, not available, those things we are getting now. Those things we are getting now. Those things we are getting. It's not meaning that we are not getting. We are getting, right? Positive number, negative number, right? Now let's remove only these things. If dot is available, it is giving the index number 10. If not available, if we are removing now, if we are removing, it's a giving oh, we didn't save. It's giving -1, means it's working perfectly, but in the logic only, why this one is not able to validate? We will see we will check different application, but the thing is, for these things, for the index of and last index function, working functionality is like that only. If the character is available, then it will return what? Index number of that character. If not available, then it will return what? -1. It will return what now, guys? -1. So now the thing is, guys, actually I have some work now, guys. Okay, I have some work now. So the thing is, we understood two functions, right? Two functions. In the next weekend, right? Next weekend onward, we will start and we will understood these other functions also. We will understand these another functions as well as what we will try to complete. What is that? Map object as well as what? Array list. Sorry, array concept, right? Array concept is nothing but what? In the next weekend we will plan long session, guys. Okay, we will plan long session because in that we will complete operator, statement and data type also. Then we will enter in the OOP, object oriented programming in the TypeScript, right? So these things we will complete in the next weekend. Operators, statement, data type we are learning only. Half of data type is left now because we are performing the operation in the string. A string will take 2 hour, then operators we will take what? Near about half an hour or 1 hour. Then statements will take near about, we will learn some logic question answer also, no? So it means what is that? Next weekend we will complete these things. Okay, so after next weekend we will start what is that? OOP concept in TypeScript, and a regular expression and a date API. We will learn date API in the TypeScript. With this 2 week more will take, guys. 2 weekends more it will take, and we will complete TypeScript. We will complete TypeScript by taking the long session. But today I have some work, so I'm stopping our session here itself only because today festival is there, na? Festival is there. So the people like some people is called me also, right? So I'm going there now. So we will continue the session. Our next session will be the next weekend of Angular now, guys. Tomorrow our regular session of what? Project base is there. Morning project base is there. Now I'm stopping here. We will meet tomorrow for the project people, and if whoever there for the Angular, we will meet on the weekend, guys. Okay, I'm stopping the session. Thank you, guys. That's all for the wish you a very happy Pongal, right? Pongal, because our side people is calling, our side people is calling Makar Sankranti now. So wish you a very happy Pongal, guys. Enjoy with your family, and now I'm stopping it, guys. Okay, bye.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah,
Thank you, Ravi.
Thanks everyone.
very much, Ravi.